My name is Coleman Lyden, and an issue I would like to talk about today is climate change. Climate change will be a key conversation to have in this year's upcoming presidential election, as well as the presidential debates between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. According to NASA's website and their article about the effects of climate change, they did a test study containing 1,300 different scientists that predict temperatures will rise over the next 100 years. For example, they stated that temperatures could rise from the national average to either a 2.5% or 10% increase over the next century. This being said, this will become a massive political debate, like I stated previously. The Democratic view of this is that within the future effects that we should do something now versus do something later. For example, climate change does affect us now, but it hasn't affected us to the point of it becoming a pandemic, opposed to how it will later. And arguments continue to change. For example, there are different regional effects of climate change, such as in the Northeast, where it gets hot in the fall, where it should be cold is a sign of global warming, and the Northeast is more Democratic than Republican. Down south, it's hot mostly all the time, and mostly that they don't understand that there is change in climates in other parts of the world just because it's hot down there all the time. Also, there has been changes in precipitation patterns according to IPCC.com in their argument on climate, in their article on climate change. And there has been more precipitation changes in the past 20 years than ever recorded before since they started recording in 1789. This is a national issue as well as an international issue, and there has been task force created internationally and nationally to prevent climate change and do as much as they can to help it. According to IPCC, in their article, they predict that sea levels are going to rise 1 to 8 feet in the next 100 years. I personally find that extremely alarming and believe that something should be done about it. Thank you.